In a sun-baked oasis lies a narrow library where a sleek cat named Nico guards forgotten scrolls and whispered legends. When a flood threatens clay huts, Nico climbs shelves and directs a crowd to higher ground with calm, precise muse. He uncovers a buried map revealing a secret escape, guiding villagers to safety as the rain drums on palm leaves. For days after, the cat leads drills, teaching children to listen, observe, and move with the rhythm of the storm. By sunrise, the village owes its life to a quiet hero who turned danger into a lesson in courage.